Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Good Morning Mechanic, where we turn wrenches and tackle challenges together. I'm Dan, your guide through the world of DIY automotive repairs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this is the place to rev up your skills and share your knowledge. Hit subscribe, join the Good Morning Mechanic team, and let's get our hands dirty. Good morning, everybody. So what we got is a caliper bracket on this 2017 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. One of the pins is giving us problems. And so I'm going to show you how I deal with this, and let me know in the comments how you deal with this. So this is the side in question. As you can see, it's not wanting to go in and out. Now this other side right here, in and out, no problem. So I think we might have some oil or some corrosion. This is how we're going to do it. Take care of this. Taking some brake clean, we're going to just pour it right in there. We're going to fill it all the way up. Maybe I'll move this so you guys can see it. We're going to fill it all the way up. Once it's mostly full, take our drill. You want to go slow? Let's see. Oh, yeah, look at that. Nasty. Spray it out. I'm going to put the nozzle on there. All that gunk. All right. So you don't want to shove these in. You kind of want to wiggle it and turn it. So you kind of find the right spot. No, look at see. Yeah, cool. See if we can see down there together. There it is. A little bit left right there. Ah, pretty dang good. Okay, so here's my problem, is that I have this pin, this O-ring, see, look how loose that is. It's not supposed to be that loose. So when I slide it in, it goes in, but when you pull it out, that's what it looks like. Come on, bugger. That O-ring keeps sliding up. So I have to get a new O-ring. The pin looks good. So, and they don't even sell the pin with the O-ring. I have to go 30-minute drive just to get the O-ring. Woo!
A few hours later.
So the audio on this part is, well, I'm just redoing it because the heater was on, the air compressor was going off, everything was going crazy. But as you can see, the new O-ring fits super snugly around the pin. And right here, I'm just adding the caliper pin grease. When you push these back in, like I said before, you don't want to shove them in. You kind of want to just push them in a little bit and twist them. And as you can see here, it went in super smooth. It's back to normal and good as new. Slides in and out like a charm. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a good morning. Hey, so you made it. You made it to the end of the video. Thank you for that, by the way. I know that was kind of a weird video. It was like the editing kind of sucked. I'm not very good at that. And the audio sucked because I had the microphone on a stand in a different area, which, whatever. I'm not very good at this. I hope you guys notice. But I wanted to remind you of a few things. The toolbox tool giveaway, or the 500 subscriber toolbox giveaway is still going on Instagram, so head over there and check that. I still have a bunch of shirts in our shop, so if you want a Good Morning Mechanic t-shirt, head over there. They're super soft and super snuggly. And then also, if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for trusting us and having fun with us and just being here for the Good Morning Mechanic team. If you're not a subscriber, if you could just hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, and then just enjoy the ride. Let us know in the comments if there's videos you guys want to see. I have a handful of video ideas that I'm gonna start working on, especially for the spring and the fall. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see. Thanks for watching. As always, have a good morning. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Good Morning Mechanic, where we turn wrenches and tackle challenges together. I'm Dan, your guide through the world of DIY automotive repairs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, this is the place to rev up your skills and share your knowledge. Hit subscribe, join the Good Morning Mechanic team, and let's get our hands dirty.